Are you a train spotter?
No.
No.
No. Good morning, it's the 7th of December. I've decided to do a little video. I'm at Ardwick station. Come up to Manchester to go to Bolton for football today, and doing a few stations, and this one is quite difficult to get to. It only has 2 services a day, one early in the morning and one late at night. So I've walked down here. Very interesting walk, very interesting walk. Let's go and see the station. So, walking up the stairs, I think there's another walkway when we get to the top here. You can see Ardwick station from the trains coming into Manchester Piccadilly. So you have to go over that footbridge. Yeah, so I'm also going today, I'm going to visit Ince, West Bolton and Hindley. So small adventure. I was going to go to the Manchester Model Railway exhibition, but really I'd need a minimum of 2 hours and I wouldn't have that length of time. So here is the bridge. So next to the station is a depot, 4 sliding depot. I expect it's for some of this new stock, but I don't really know. And there we are, there's a station just down here. No facilities whatsoever. Nothing. Not, oh, there might be a shelter. Oh, look, here comes a pacer coming through the station. And that over there is the main lines out of Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, so I'm now at the far end of the station, and that's it. As I said, there's the depot over there and the Etihad Stadium behind, and this is the siding that goes into the new depot they've built. Here's the platform extension, which is wildly overgrown. Here's the sign. There goes another Trans-Pennine Express, and I just noticed here there's a plaque to Paul McLaughlin, who unfortunately died here on the 13th of December 1997. So yes, so that's anniversary is later this week. God bless you, Mr. McLaughlin. There goes Penn's Trans-Pennine Express train, and that's it, guys. Time for me to go whack on to my next stop. So these are the arches underneath the railway line going into Manchester Piccadilly. The tail end of the arches, where it's grey in the arch part, that used to lead into Manchester Mayfield station, which is further along. Right, so I'm guessing that this used to be part of the Manchester Mayfield station complex. This is the viaduct that takes us into the old Manchester Mayfield station. So here behind the hoarding is a ramp, which most probably was vehicle access, and just above that you can see where Mayfield station was, and the metalwork from where the platform canopies were. And over there is platforms 13 and 14, Manchester Piccadilly. So that's the Mayfield station building. Behind those gates there is the ramp that goes up, I expect, to the goods area, which was where those, which we saw earlier. And then you can just see above the brickwork there, the roof canopies. I've now arrived at my next station, which is Ince. And this is the most magnificent station I have ever seen. In fact, I think it's got less facilities than Ardwick. Ta-da! And I'm here for about half an hour. maybe there's some facilities outside the station. So here I am on the footbridge, and here comes my train, the 11:44. I'm going one stop to Hindley, which is a more significant station than this one. In fact, it's been adopted by station adopters, can't think what they're called, and they've made a splendid good job of the old station, so that's something to look forward to. There's a sign upstairs looking for people to adopt this station. Now, am I going to have to run down the platform? I expect so. Okay, so 3 minutes later I'm at Hindley, and this is the station. It's marvellous. Lots of little things. Got squirrel huts, pigeon coops, brass deer, all sorts of different things. Trains, poppies, windmills, and everything. Marvellous, 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 marvellous. Right, next train's due in about 8 minutes. So quickly whack out. I think that building over there was the old station building. So as the Southport train arrives, my 11:56 train connection to West Halton has been cancelled, but luckily there's one in another 20 minutes time, so I'll only be about 13 minutes late, which is good news for once. Normally these stations only have an hourly service, but this one has quite a regular service, and as I said, it's quite a substantial station as well. So arrived at West Halton, my penultimate station stop. The next one is Horwich Parkway, which is on my way home after the football. So immediate reactions to West Halton station, lovely. It's got pixies and it's got Christmas decorations up, marvellous, and it's got bees and it's got birdhouses and it's got reindeer and it's got sleighs and it's got Santa Clauses. It's very festive, marvellous, marvellous, marvellous. And look at these balls on the trees, they're very nice, very Christmassy. Haha, well done to West Halton station adopters. So right, I've had a few beers in West Halton, and lucky enough the train is running. So we left Dave in the pub because he's going to catch a bus, because he didn't want the walk, and here comes the train non-stop to Bolton.
Non-stop.
Yeah, well, that's irrelevant. It's non-stop. And now at Bolton, waiting for the 2:20 to Halton. No, Horwich Parkway. I've just been explaining to Ron why I think Bolton Station is really nice, but he's not convinced. Of course we can't see it because there's just a train in the way. And there's lots of work going on, but I need to go to the loo. Thinking today, that seems a long time ago. Long time away, a long time ago.
South West Railway.
So this is the train to Horwich. We're going to catch the Horwich Parkway. It goes to Blackpool North. A regular stop off.
Could be going on this end somehow. Yeah, you won't want to go away, you match France today.
Okay, so I'm at Adlington now. The train I caught from Horwich Parkway was late. We drew to all. Bolton equalised in the 4th minute stoppage time. I guess a 2-2 draw was fair, just about, to us, or to them. So I've taken advantage of getting off here because there's another train. So another one. And that's it for today.